I've made this videotape in order to get the message out to each and every one of you regarding my expectations for a new role in SMC's system engineering process. You have heard that the Air Force and DoD are exploring promising initiatives that will alter the way we team with our prime contractors and the warfighters to acquire systems and acquire them right. These new ways are outlined in details in the Undersecretary of the Air Force's Space Acquisition Policy 02-1 and the Air Force Instruction 63-101, which is called the Reality-Based Acquisition Process. And also it's emphasized by the evolving Chief of Staff Capabilities Review that you may be familiar with, which is based on the Secretary of Defense's 6 transformational goals. Each draft is synergistic and is being staffed throughout the Air Force.
The schedule guys have gone through.
Nevertheless, there are actions I would like every one of you to take and a mindset change that I need you to adopt right now, regardless of the prevailing acquisition management policies that are in effect. Simply put, we must remember that at the core of effective program and acquisition management are disciplined technical oversight and systems engineering. These are two things that are not something we can expect our contractors to do for us. Rather, we must do them ourselves by becoming fully engaged with our contractors as value-added partners in the acquisition of military space systems. As a result, we need to become more proactive in revitalizing our commitment to world-class systems engineering, acquisition, and program management here at SMC. This is the mindset change that I'm talking about. Here's where you will fit in. The systems engineering orientation training is mandatory for all SMC acquisition personnel. Specifically, the target audience for training is acquisition personnel in our 2 letters, our detachments, PK, FM, AX, and other staffs, including our aerospace and SETA teams. This training will reinforce the behavior and attitude I expect of each and every one of you.
We have an established SAMP and we're just doing an update.
By exposing each of you to the key aspects of systems engineering, as it is viewed and practiced from a variety of perspectives, we aim to promote the dissemination of a common language and a set of practices and behaviors that can be used to effectively guide the conduct of our future systems engineering activities across the center. Now, many of you will later be asked to attend detailed academic systems engineering courses, but first, everyone will participate in the orientation training. The focus of this class is on the importance of the government role in working with our customers and contractors to weigh cost, schedule, performance, supportability, program protection, risk, and all the specialty core competencies that comprise systems engineering. During the class, you will need to focus on the mindset change that I am asking you to make. This is important. However, we can't acquire and maintain this mindset change without knowing how your particular competency fits into the systems engineering process here at SMC. So during the class, strive to learn how your particular competencies fit into the systems engineering. As you proceed through this one-day course, I expect each of you to learn the following. First of all, how the government is again chartered with total system performance responsibility. Secondly, what is expected of you and why it's expected in terms of systems engineering awareness, knowledge, and behavior. Next, how systems engineering is or can be performed most effectively here at SMC. And finally, how to improve your own personal systems engineering skill set by taking advantage of additional learning resources which we're going to make available to you. Systems engineering revitalization is critical and a challenging task, and it will require each of us to step up to the plate and do our part. This is what teamwork is all about, pulling together to accomplish a common goal. I'm confident we're fully up to the challenge, and I look forward to hearing good things from each and every one of you as you participate in this first significant step. There are many future opportunities for you here at SMC in terms of space systems. We are on the cutting edge of technology, and the work we do is making a difference in the war on terrorism. I don't know how long this war will last, but I do know 2 things. First of all, one, space will continue to play a large role protecting the security of our great country, and second of all, it will take a workforce who understands systems engineering to bring these systems from the drawing board to reality. This is why your nation needs each and every one of you to do your part. Thank you for your continuing support and the dedication to SMC's mission.